If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says cloud provider exited unexpectedly, don't worry. This usually happens when OneDrive stops running in the background or crashes while File Explorer is trying to open a cloud file. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that can get OneDrive working again fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and Windows guides. Let's jump right in. First, the easiest fix is to restart OneDrive. Look at the system tray on the bottom right of your screen and find the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Right-click the OneDrive icon, then choose Quit OneDrive. This closes the app completely. After that, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it again. Wait a few moments while it signs in and starts syncing. Once it's running again, try opening the same file and see if the error is gone. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to access cloud files properly. Open your browser and try loading a few websites. If pages aren't loading, reconnect to Wi-Fi or restart your router. Once the internet is working again, give OneDrive a moment to reconnect and sync. Then try the file again in File Explorer. Another helpful step is simply opening the file again after OneDrive has had time to recover. Go to your OneDrive folder in File Explorer and double-click the affected file. Sometimes the error appears because the file hasn't fully downloaded yet, or OneDrive was temporarily unavailable. Let it load for a few seconds and check whether the file opens normally. If the issue keeps coming back, you can reset OneDrive. This is a more powerful fix and often helps when the app is stuck or corrupted. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then type this command exactly as shown. C Program Files, Microsoft OneDrive, onedrive.exe/reset. After that, press Enter. You may notice OneDrive disappear for a moment, and that's normal. Wait about 2 minutes so the reset can finish. Then open OneDrive again from the Start menu and let it sign back in. If you still see the error after resetting, the final step is to restart your computer. Save any open work first. Then click Start, select Power, and choose Restart. A full restart can clear temporary glitches and force OneDrive and File Explorer to reconnect properly. After the computer starts back up, open OneDrive and test the file again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the cloud provider exited unexpectedly error right away. If it worked for you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.